Want the cheapest deal on Hostinger right now? Here's how you can get up to 85% off, plus an extra 20% discount instantly. Just click the link in the description and the coupon code will be applied automatically. No extra steps, no manual code needed. This deal is perfect if you want to start a blog, business website, portfolio, online store, or WordPress website without spending too much money. And the best part? You also get free extra months, free SSL, free domain on eligible plans, and a 30-day money-back guarantee. So basically, you're getting premium web hosting at a huge discount with zero risk. Hostinger is trusted by millions of users because it's fast, easy to use, and beginner-friendly. Even if you've never created a website before, you can set everything up in minutes. Normally, hosting can get expensive, but with this special offer, you can save a lot on your billing. If you're serious about starting a website in 2026, this is the best time to grab the deal before the discount expires.